We're going to play. Where is the game? Where is the game? Where is the game? Where is the game? Oh, here it is. So it's called the Tyke. Wait, I didn't get to read it, but whatever. This is a game of a zombie game, so it scares me sometimes because I don't know why, but it does scare me though. Oh my god, I played this before, but I think I should know what to do. It's called Dead something. I forgot. Tiger was it? I don't know. Tigger. Tigger. So loud. What was that? That was cool. Okay. Let's say you move around. Please loading. Loading. Please wait. Okay. So this is like part 1 of this anyway. You guys might get like a little spook. But if you guys are like not really that scared, then I guess I recommend children's do not play this. I recommend little kids do not play this game. But if you're like up to 10, then I guess you can play it. Come over here, I have a surprise for you. Oh, you're not there. Okay. Just keep going. Come over here. Taste my wrath of God. Wow. That's so little. I'm about to do homework like at 6. I don't really do my homework like at first thing. I know you should do it, but on the first thing, no, but I don't feel like it. I feel like okay. I still have more. Okay, buy it. I guess buy. Okay. Let's see. Does I go there? I don't know what to do. Is it like the same place again? Oh, it's different. 70 seconds. Okay. Okay. Go. I don't like you guys. Back off. I want to shoot your legs instead. Shoot your legs. Fat guys. Fatty, fat. You fat too. Why are there always fat zombies? I'm a little scared of behind me too. doesn't even show you in the radar. Oh, there it is. It showed you in the radar when something is coming for you or something. Oh, someone's coming. I can't shoot it. They're walking around there. They're stupid. I thought it was in slow motion. Slow motion. Okay. So I recommend you get these games, but except for little kids because they're not gonna know how to play and they're gonna get mad. But I guess only up to like 10 or 9 people or 8. I'll sign in. Maybe. No, I don't want to use any login. Oh, okay. Okay. Done. That's really going to be. Login. Find a new one. Oh, it doesn't work, so let's go back, I guess. Make quest. Okay. Okay. And I can buy that gun too right there, and I didn't buy it, bro. Okay, so the last dead target, it's not really that great because you don't get to move around, but this game has like more graphics and it gets to let you move around. Those are explosives that I won't want to touch. Is there a... Fuck off. I know there's one behind me. Freaking god, just run for it. Just like go for it. Just freaking... I have to go to the X. See? They all gonna get me. Gunshot. I'm already there and I don't need the zombies to kill. Oh, I got a machine gun. Oh, I have to kill all those zombies? Okay, I'm gonna save the machine gun. I can kill these guys. I can do this. I can do this. We can do this. We can do this. We can't do this. We can't do this. Come over here, fat. We can do this. What takes them so long? I want the ammo. Can we go to the gun shop? Let me go to the gun shop. Okay, me no go to gun shop yet. I can't actually see. See guys. You say you invisible. Well, you are not invisible. Die. Seriously, I'm scared of behind me, but since the radar is there, they will tell me if one's behind me or not. That's why I'm checking the radar. I wanna get that ammo. Come over and fight me. Oh, fat! Oh my god, fat guy. Headshots. Headshots. Oh, another fat guy. 2 in a row. Oh, here's something now. Can I go? You're safe for now. Enter the gun. Yes. Get in here. Where's the zone? Oh, yes. I want to touch those guns and lick them. What time is it? 5:38, I think that is. Okay. Please. I want to spin. I want to spin. I like cherries. I would like a cherry. Wait, dude, how much do I have? Okay, I'm just gonna get one more. Cancel. Okay. Oh. Close it. Okay. Main quest. Should we go for the gold? Nah. I'm gonna go for the gold. I got it. Oh, that's unlocked. I can buy that. I can't buy that. I can upgrade it, but I need to be in it. I can buy that. I can't buy that. I can buy that. Let me see this one. I'm gonna buy that puppy right there. How many? I have 2 G's. I have 2 G's. Oh, I can't buy that. I only can buy a pistol, I guess. Yeah, let me buy it. Something else in G's. G's. Oh my god, there's so much G's everywhere. Oh, some of them I don't have G's. Ooh, look at that bone. Look at that puppy. Well, that's a lot of coins though. That's a lot of money though. Okay, I'll close that. So we're gonna go for it. We're gonna go for it. Okay. Ooh, I'll go into the bathroom. Kill the zombies. Okay. I'll shoot them with my... Do I have to go there? No, that's the main shop. I have to go all the way back. Back off. Just run for it. Oh, kill all the zombies. That's what I have to do. Okay, come over here. Okay, I'm gonna stay in that spot then. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come and follow me. You love the flesh, don't you? Love the flesh. I played The Walking Dead. Remember The Walking Dead? So yeah. Yeah, but I'm not gonna able to buy like you know, make a... Okay, there we go. Die. Some more. No, radar. No. Okay, more coming. I'm coming. I join. Okay, die. Okay. I'm sorry, dude. I have to. Protect me. That will protect me. As long as I use. You don't touch my machine. They want me instead of the machine because they don't have brains. Oh, that's so sick. Oh, that's so sick right there. Oh god. Oh god. Back off. Can you help me here? Oh my god, that machine's not working. I think you need a checkup. Let me just look at your butt for a second. Oh, look at his butt. One is tiny and one is big. Oh god. Shoot him. Oh, kill him. If I go in front of it, would I get killed? No, I won't. Let me help this guy out instead of like you doing all the work. Oh god, I'm missing. I'll keep care of these guys. I'm wasting ammo though. I'm done with that. Did you die? Oh, he died! No! Freaking out, it's all by myself, bro. I'm dead. Crap off. Oh yeah, these kind of guns. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Yes. No! Oh, I kept it for the other gun. Oh my god, I almost died there. Okay guys, so that's all I have to do.